In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use uTorrent Web. uTorrent Web is a lightweight way to manage torrents right from your browser, so you don't need a full desktop app. To get started, open your preferred browser and search for the official uTorrent website. Once you're on the correct page, launch the web app. If it's your first time, you may be prompted to allow the app to run or finish a quick setup. Approve those prompts so the interface can load properly. When the app opens, head to the dashboard. This is your home base where you can add new items quickly. You can drag and drop a torrent file from your computer straight onto the dashboard to begin downloading. As soon as you drop it, you'll see the task appear with its name, size, and progress. Keep an eye on the status indicators. They'll show you whether the torrent is connecting to peers, downloading, or seeding after completion. If you need to change where files are saved, look for the save location control before confirming the add. A quick tip: make sure you have enough disk space and a stable connection for larger downloads. Next, move to the torrents section. Here you can manage everything in one place. If you already have a torrent file, use the add option to import it. If you want to share your own files, choose Create Torrent, select the folder or file on your machine, and follow the prompts to generate a torrent entry that others can connect to. Verify your tracker details if prompted, and only share content you have the rights to distribute. You can pause, resume, prioritize, or remove items from this section, which is helpful when you're juggling multiple downloads. Now, open the speed area. This view shows your real-time download and upload rates along with overall performance. It's useful for diagnosing slow transfers or confirming that your settings are working. If you're interested in additional capabilities and support, you'll see an option here to upgrade to the Pro version. Choosing that will guide you through the upgrade process inside the app. Finally, check out the trending videos page. It highlights popular items within the interface so you can explore what's active. Always make sure you're accessing and sharing legal content and that you trust the sources you connect to. That's it. You learned how to open uTorrent Web, use the dashboard to add items, manage and create torrents, monitor speeds, explore and upgrade, and browse trending content. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading responsibly.